Hi friends, how are you all? I hope all are doing well. Sorry friends, because of my hectic schedule, I am unable to upload the videos. From now on, I am going to upload the videos every single day or day by day. Because in this video, I am going to share the 21 days challenge. Because learning a different language, it takes regular practice. That's why I am going to start 21 days challenge. Each and every single day I am going to upload the video with that one task. You should complete that task as well, so that you will see the some result and after 21 days. Yes, okay. So 21 days challenge. So keep it side. But if just question yourself, why we need to learn English language? Everyone, question yourself, why you are learning English language? Then next, what? How? You should question yourself, why, what, how? So if you know that the purpose of learning English language, the reason for suppose example for attending interviews or best position on your company or career growth purpose or communicating with the other country people or getting confidence or learning different languages, the purpose, you need to know that first. Apart, if you don't know the reason why you are learning English language, you won't keep some efforts to learn English language. That's why I'm saying, for the career growth purpose or attending interviews, just write it down which one is the purpose in your diary. Yeah, now for example, attending interviews purpose, you are learning English language, right? So then the purpose you know. Then what to learn, because it is completely different language. As a beginner, you need to know some key points first, especially. So first of all, we have to go for grammar rules. What happened, madam? You said previous videos like grammar is no need like that. Question, you have a question, right? Yes, I said, but you need to know just 10% at least tenses, where I need to use that present tense and past tense or future tense, like that kind of thing. You need to know the just 10% at least. Then you can able to communicate. You can able to manage the learning English. Next, second one is vocabulary. Yes, you heard about it, right? As a housewife or some people are learning, they know some words, eating, running or cleaning, like this kind of words they know very well. As a professional student or a professional employee, you also talking with the same words. Where is the difference? So you have to learn each and every single day at least 2 words in different kind of words with the pronunciation. So the English going to be very fluent level because of learning vocabulary. Different kind of words makes you, different kind of words or phrases or idiomatic expressions makes you more confident. Next, focus on pronunciation as well. So you need to know the pronunciation of the particular word. At the same time, focus on speaking skills. You have to improve the speaking skills because some people having fear. So you need to rectify that. You have to remove the fear of speaking, because if you have a fear, right, at basic level, at beginner, you have to stand in front of the mirror like this and you have to talk yourself. So then you can able to improve speaking skills. Okay, so we need to focus on first as a beginner, as taking a step, move forward, focus on grammar and vocabulary and pronunciation and speaking skills. Next, you have to focus on about the listening skills also. While watching the video or movie in your mobile, just watch the movie carefully with the pay attention clearly. Okay, then you can able to listen that particular words. You need to know the pronunciation as well automatically. Okay. Next we can go for how we can able to learn. Yes, you heard about it, right? Why we know that, and points we know that what we learn. Next, focus on the how we can able to learn English. Yes, practice. At basic level, learn with the Telugu. I mean to say, the sentences you know already. Telugu sentences you already know, right? You have to make the sentence by using that particular sentence, translate into Telugu. Starting 1 or 2 days only. Remember it, one thing. Only 1 or 2 days. From other language to getting into another language, English language. So it takes time to move on to another language. That's why I said just focus on it only 2 days. Learn with the sentences in Telugu first of all. Next we have to go for practice. Yes, you heard about it, right? Practice as much as well. If you have done anything, just speak up loudly with the English language. Okay. Next, speak out loud. You heard about it, right, guys? Because this speak out loud what you are reading or trying to practice something, some sentences in front of the mirror or in front of the camera. Just speak out loud. If you are reading or doing any videos or anything, speak out loud, so that your mouth will be able to practice the particular language, but you are able to talk that particular language. So you have to practice as much as possible, and you have to speak out loud anything. And set a goals, clear goals, guys. For suppose I need to learn 10 words, 10 new vocabulary in single day, or it is too difficult, means you have to go for 5 words each and every single day. So you have to reach that goal. It is a small thing, breakout goal, right? You have to practice 5 words each single day, then use that particular words in daily conversation on daily basis. Then you can able to remember that words. Okay. Like this, you need to know the purpose of learning, the steps where we need to take, and what are the process we need to improve our language. So now you are clear, right? Friends, learning language is easy. It's not difficult if you practice each and every single day. That's why I am coming with the 21 days challenge. So you have to mark it somewhere at least, or keeping something on mirror, so you can able to remember each and every single day while see the mirror, the sticker or something you need to keep here. After 21 is completed, you have to test yourself. Let's see the result on tomorrow onwards. You have to complete the task each and every single day. This is the video all about. We will meet on tomorrow's video. Till then, take care. Bye.